Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark green color, sky blue color, yellow color, sea green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, light brown color, grey color, blue color, green color, light yellow color, light pink color, orange color, black color. Let's draw the shape. Hexagon, triangle, pie, heart, sun. This is sun. Oval, green color, hexagon, hexagon, green color, blue color, triangle, triangle, blue color, black color, pie. This is pie. Pie, pie, black color, pink color, heart, 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 pink color, yellow color, maroon color, sun, 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 maroon color, light orange color, oval, 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 light orange color, green color, blue color, black color, pink color, yellow color, maroon color, light orange color, hexagon, triangle, pie, heart, sun, oval. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.